Hi everyone, now we're going to take a look at bubble 6, 7, and 8. So let's take a look. Again, we're going to talk about, here is your disc or circuit playground. Your sound sensor, take a look. When you look at it, if the cord is hanging down, it's actually going to be on your right. But on here, if it's facing you, it will actually, sorry, it'll be on your upper left. But look for the ear on your circuit board. That's the sound sensor, so it's pretty tiny. The temperature is going to be by the thermometer in the A9. And then the light sensor is by the eye, which is A8. So take a look at your disc. Now we're going to move on to bubble 7. Bubble 7, they want us to make a prediction, so make sure your circuit board is working. And, oops, I just put HHH. But if I read the code in this program and make a prediction below. What do you think the program would do when you run it? How is the user intended to interact with the board? You may need to blow into the board to see if the full range of this app. So it looks like we're dealing with sound. And what it's doing is it is matching the screen and the background color to some type of soundness. So let's take a look. Let's run. So blow into your screen or blow into your circuit board, and you notice the redness changes based on the sound. Ah, ah, or blow right into it, and you notice the light changes. So that's pretty awesome about how that works. Okay, so let's finish and go to bubble 8. And in bubble 8, we're going to also take a look at the sound and predict some type of value. So it's going to read our value. So again, if you look at the design, the value area is called sound value. So that's the ID we're looking for. And I'm going to go back here. And it says each of the analog sensors emits a special event called data, which occurs every time new data comes in from the sensor. Using this event, you can rewrite the first program you worked on in this lesson so that it continually updates. So as it starts reading sound, it's going to fluctuate. So we're going to create an event handler to respond to the sensor's data event and move the existing code into our handler. So with that being said, we need to have an onboard event. So I'm going to go to circuit because that's what we're going to use. And we are going to click on sound sensor. Makes sense because we're dealing with sound. And instead of down, it's asking us to look for data. So click on data. And we're going to take this set property, we're going to put it inside of there. And we're keeping the sound value. We are going to manipulate or change the text area, so this value right here, and it's going to give us the value of it. So fingers crossed, let's run this. Ah! So if you blow on it instantly, look how it went up the way up to 1,000. I gotta find the sound sensor. Oh, I keep blowing in the wrong direction. So I went, make sure you find the little ear on your circuit board. And there's the sound sensor. And that is bubble 8.